I meet Chinedu Ezebile.
Your boyfriend?
2018. Yes.
Okay. When you na meet?
So we meet for Instagram.
When?
2018.
2018.
So
Okay.
probably
Okay.
middle of the year.
Okay. As
So
una meet 2018 for Instagram, what can happen?
so we come they talk on phone. Reaching 2019 December on the New Year.
Yes.
December we came back. He said, December I come village. So I come back.
Oh, in not the Lagos.
In the Lagos, in the
Abia State. Okay.
Yes, he come back. I think come back. He said I can't come back. So he come my village on the 2nd of January 2019. He can't carry one give my dad. Yeah, my dad can't talk finish. So I can't ask and see what's the intention. Don't tell me even though they come for friendship. I can't my heart. I don't be get hard food before.
Okay, they don't serve you breakfast before. You don't want enter anyone we go.
Yes. So you can't tell me saying I can't answer him, so I'm not really interested. You can't tell me saying make I give him a try. I can't answer waiting and waiting with you. The same thing they say take away pack and Ghana must go sack for Abba. But since no they move out, fine. You can't tell me saying you graduate. After okay, say for Lagos there is a lot of opportunity. After me and him finish on the 4th, I come back to Lagos.
On the 4th of 2020 or 2019?
2019.
Okay.
I travel, I came back to Lagos. I came back to so we were like talking. Sometimes saying one it's too hard for them. For Lagos there are many opportunities. So if you come Lagos. And before then, that's when tell me they admit in that. The time they admit in that day, then father do I near an appendix at the same time.
Okay.
Put them for hospital, this, that. So you can't tell me that make I help her with some money.
Okay.
I say like how much? Can't tell me say like about 100. I be 150. I can't tell me I know get such amount. I know they spend that kind of amount. So because they always see my post for Instagram. You understand? Can't tell me that they make I borrow and say go give me back
the money back. Yeah.
Say that is the hospital. I can't say okay. I can't first of all go send 50,000 naira for Union Bank for your leg back. So they can't tell me say I beg in goose. They don't offload and say you need money to offload the goods. Blah 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 blah. I can't send 40,000 for another day.
40,000.
Yes.
Making 90,000 now.
Yes.
Okay.
So after then, they call me say shop rent. That.
Oh, rent for in shop.
Not knowing say all those things now lie. You understand? So the house where they live now in Papa house Abba.
Okay.
So after then, I couldn't send them some money. You understand? You can't tell me say I want to say come this money I they give you. I beg you give me back. When I don't say give me the money back. You tell me someone will get married. I know this for that parole. One will get married stuff. So you come they talk, so you can't come Lagos. As you can't come Lagos, I can't say you go look for something doing.
Oh, in come Lagos.
Yes.
Okay.
We can't come Lagos. So can't say if you go look for something doing, now business, making learn. Can't say okay, no problem. So we can't put head together. As we put head together, then you can't go learn trade for your uncle place for trade fair. Get the second verse. As you can't go learn and finish. So you can't tell me the shop don't come out. So the shop for trade fair now 300,000.
Okay.
Say that 300,000. I'm like, okay, how much you hold? I can't say you hold 200. Say the 100 to complete the money. I can't say okay. I can't go transfer 100K to balance the shop rent or this to rent. So you can't but to give a not knowing that the shop where you go rent. Now uncle shop, now half shop. Now 150. I have shop and now 150.
Okay.
So when I can't go there, say good morning, sir. When I can't go there, one day like that, I can't say, now why you can't dey lie for me? Now I have shop rent. He say, you can't talk story. I can't live on. So this thing keep on going.
Meanwhile, throughout all this time, una don dey date, abi?
Yes.
Okay. So una dey do everything wey boyfriend and girlfriend they do.
Yes.
Continue.
So now you come, my family they come call and say, now what's your intention? So you come tell them say, now what's they come to marry. But they come want and say their sister don't get happy. They no go they happy say their Adani they hot again. So they no go take am lightly. You can't say no. Say that you know, come do such. You know, come do this. So I not even let my family know. Say, see, I mean they back her up for some financial.
You not tell them.
No, I did not tell them.
Okay.
So I was doing it each time. He go come dey cry for money every time. This that you guys go pity am. So I keep doing it for life to be okay. You can't tell me saying I don't worry, saying go surprise me after our marriage, blah blah. You know, I can't relax. Somebody don't come. They come, stay with my brother, stay with my family. So my brother come. One way can't even surprise me. The one way can't even make my head break. Do you know that 2 years ago? Okay, that during COVID-19, I go do some work, some outside work. Do some work, won't get money during that COVID. I made the money, sort of 800,000 naira with the expenses when I do. So accountants, this 500K, then I will look for shop. Once this 500K, you say I can look for shop so that me I will be independent on my own. Do you understand? I can't say okay, no problem. Someone go hold the money. I can't say okay, no problem. If I look for shop, make a letter no.
You can't give the money making hold for you.
Yes.
You not get a bank. Anyway, continue, sir.
So, okay, making hope for me. So when the time come reach, he can't tell me say mama shop rent still expire. Say he want give the mama money. Say his sister want travel abroad. Say his sister want go do masters abroad. Say since when
all of them are from that 500,000.
No, not that one. Before then, the ones when I remember, the ones when I don't even remember.
Okay.
So he said even when his sister wants to travel, go do masters for abroad to Germany. Say this, that, blah blah blah. Say I bet make I give him some money. Say he won't give his sister something, make him look say as second son, make him look say own word 9 bad pass. Also, I come and say, okay, how much you want to give us? He say na 50. How much you hold? He say you get 30. Say if I go say fine and 20 or any amount, I can't say okay, no problem. I can't give her that 20, you can't complete them. All those things are lie. You can't, so a lot of things has been going on. The one we can scatter my brain now is that this year, you can say December time, my brother can't dream.
This year?
My brother can't, yes, this December we pass.
Okay.
My brother can't do for dream, can't come and say, the feelings when you see for dream, say no like him. Say he see me put on wedding guy, but that wedding guy was stained with blood. So make her allow him, make him go talk to this guy. Say the condition when you see me for that dream, say no like him. So I come and say, you sure say this guy need get anybody. Now I come and say, I don't ask him, but he's free to go and ask. So when he can go ask him, he can say no, say nothing like that. Say he no go do anything, he no go help his sister, he no go do this, he no go do that, he no go do. So we say life finish. I go I come say okay, say when they go, say na Easter, before he say na December. So you can't say na Easter. When Easter come, I come and say have fun now, not knowing that say March. You can't go do secret wedding with another person for March.
Wow.
As you go do secret wedding with another person for March. That's on the 27th of March.
This year?
You can't come. Yes. You call me for phone again. 27th where I did that, but you get what you do. You get what you do that December. I say, I call her I send her this money where you have been asking me. Say my heart no they accept them. Say I want to end up with this relationship. So I'm not being interested for this relationship. That was last year. Say I get some feeling, say you're hiding something from me. And my instinct not to ever like me. He can't kneel down for granted. Say lie, he will never. Say he no get anything. He can't kneel down because they cry. Say he no get anything to. Say he no go ever hurt me. Say he no go do bad. Say I the angel will come into his life. When nobody assisted him, say I was there for him. He said a lot of things. I come and say no, but me I don't tire to cover your problem.
Yes.
I want to end this relationship. So I don't want because of you now. My father will do now. They nothing. Tend to make I relax. Nah, relax. Make I say now once they do women, if they don't give my money, they can't talk any other. I say no, but this burden is too much of me. He can't beg finish. When he come back to December, he can't ask me for 100K. I refuse to give him that 100K for December. We can't get problem. You can't come up for house. So I was surprised. January, you can't call. Let me say travel, blah blah blah. Talk about this. So on the 27th of March. When he don't go do a week after his wedding, he can't come back. Can't come meet me for where we do have fun. Can't tell me say how you do this, blah blah. You know, tell me say he don't marry you. But I was immediately when he come, go enter my body. I felt somehow. So I was just like so he slept in the night. As he slept in the night, so I was feeling somehow. I'm not saying that please let's talk. Easter is there, so it's next month. So let's go out to do About we'll fix this thing on December, we no work out, so let's know what to do. And then me saying they talk with family. They talk with their family.
Meanwhile, all this time, he don't marry.
He don't marry for that much. After then, you see they talk with the family. You still that after that wedding, after a week after his wedding, he still come to my come. Ah, Jesus. After everything now, he spend the night. In the morning, he come tell me, say, I make him 10,000 naira. I say, you want money to complete goods. I saw before that midnight, I pick up my phone. I begin to chat with him, Uncle White. I can say, Chinedu is here, but I'm having some feelings that something is going on. The woman say, Jesus. And the woman know. The woman say, what is he looking for? Now, the woman can't call him, Mama. The mama can't call me for phone. Come shout, say, I beg. Say, make I see what they go on. Say, you can go do secret marriage. Even she, the mama, no accept the marriage. But because of me, his son when they fight am, saying the stupid mother, saying she's talking nonsense. Now I slammed up, I shouted, I run mad, I started crying. I called him and I said, I will make you run mad within 7 days. I called the auntie, the uncle wife. I told her this thing that Chinedu used my money, went to the village and got married to another woman and kept me in the dark and lied to me that he will not live. He will not even, the woman, the last year I was telling her, the one I could remember was 1.1 million that I spent on him. The one I could remember. So after then, then he went and told the uncle that said, me, I said, I will make a mad. Yes, the man said, yes, anything I uttered will come to pass. So I begin to speak for what to do. The first person that introduced me to was Afa. You understand? I will not lie. The first person that introduced me was Afa. So I think. I talked to the man, and I said, okay, what did I want to do? I said, I want to make him to live, to be alive and see his death. The man told me how much I was like. He said 50K. I said, no problem, that I will pay. Do you understand?
Yes.
I went home. His uncle wife called me. I said, I should not soak my hands with blood. I said, but auntie, I can't see. I want to see him go down. I can't see. She started begging. The mother started begging. To the extent I traveled to the east. So the second herbalist took the advice was the one in my village. So he said I should sit down. The old man said no, I shouldn't do that. He can't help me. He said I should. Hello?
I didn't hear you. Continue.
He said I should not do that. That I should relax. That there is a reason of this thing. But for my money, I not told him that no. So what I need, the deed has been done already. What I need now is my money. So it's my money, so he can go anywhere he wants to go. You know that since that day I found out that he ran away. Even the shop where he was, the shop that I rented from him, he's no longer there with the police. Do you understand? Somebody was telling me that he stays in that music town.
Yes.
At Lifestyle, yeah.
Yes.
I said, okay. So the time I paid all those Agboro to snap his picture, and there was time I told they should get him ready, and then I went to Barrack. I complained to my army friends. They said I should go and do police report, which I did, but it's not, since then I have been looking for him. He has been hiding. So the family started begging that I should calm down, I should do this, I should relax. That was how I just withdraw from the herbalist man's place. So since then, he has been hiding. Since then, he has refused to give me my money, and he's living with my money that he used.
It's okay.
The public says that I don't want to shed tears yet.
It's okay. It's okay.
My family don't know anything about it. This is not a disgrace.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. If I tell you say I not feel your pain, I dey lie to you. I feel your pain. I understand where you dey talk from, and from a place of pain, and I understand. I mean, person will just come again. Way from the beginning, you don't clear and say, Oga, if you know say you not go can't stay, no just bother to stay, because they don't break my heart before. You can't still wake kage. Your mind strong. You stay from 2018
to 22.
to 22. That's 4 years. You waste person 4 years. And not be say you just waste the 4 years. You thief. You collect. Okay, my sister, you know what's going to happen? Give us more time. We will call you back. Meanwhile, on top WhatsApp or on top this number, text me in number. Text me in number as well.
Okay.
We dey handle matter of one of our sister when he be say, one of the. In fact, I no go call this boy. Now I'll call him demons. One of the demons in the shape of a human being.
Is a boy.
In the shape of human being, do this girl bad thing. The guy name na Chinedu Ezebuihe, and I be the guy name. From the story get us the story long small, They meet on top Instagram for 2018. As I meet for Instagram 2018, then begin chat. The guy begin to say, okay, in like the girl, then two go like more than two. They do mommy and daddy and baby. You understand? The guy come tell and say, look, if we want do this thing, I no want heartbreak, just go straight to the point. Tell me what you want. Me, I no want heartbreak, because I don't chop breakfast before. I don't collect heartbreak. I don't collect heartbreak. So if you know say heartbreak go do this matter, talk quick, make we end the matter here. My guy tell am to say say no, make it no, may no worry. Say heartbreak no go there for the matter.
The guy say come for marriage.
The guy come for marriage. So now from there, he say na marriage in come for. Meanwhile she get now what she get for mine na marriage. You understand?
Yes.
Will be one of the issues why they always tell guests not they enter in a relationship with marriage for mind. They don't not they end well. Anyway, so but this guy get another plan. So this guy begin collect money small. The first thing money we collect, he collect 100, I be 50,000 naira. From 50,000 naira, he say, baby, I beg, give me 40,000 naira. I want to do something. He collect 40. Oh, baby, give me 100,000 naira. Oh, baby, give me this one. And the guy begin to drop the money small. Finally, the guy come Lagos, come go learn trade for an uncle place where they sell shoe. As he go learn trade there, he say, okay, you want open shop. Say shop, don't come out of shop on 300,000. So you get 200.
Get
200. Say it remain 100. The guy can't give him the 100. Meanwhile, the shop where they talk about now 150.
And
Now
not be
be the
complete shop.
And not be complete shop. Now even half
shop.
Which means say now 75,000. Now it's supposed to pay that shared shop. So from one thing to the other, he go collect money today, collect money tomorrow, collect money today, collect money tomorrow.
He collect 500.
He collect
500.
yes, he get 500,000 where the guy work for 800,000. The guy can carry 500,000, give him. Say make he help him hold. My guy begin, I sure say the guy begin spend. He don't spend collect. Chop the girl money over 1 million of the girl money. Now where the matter come has passed, where the matter lead to this level where it is. So now just match of this year. So where the guy go see the ask and say how far.
No, do this thing now.
See me this marriage where he say okay, first of all, even before the marriage, how far my money where you don't dey borrow, give me back. Is the guy he say me the guy no worry say say when they marry. The guy say not be by marriage matter where the money. Not knowing say this guy can't go back March of this year. Go marry another person. Go do secret wedding. Come back. Come see they follow this guy stay. They act as if say nothing don't happen.
He won't even collect money.
He won't even collect money, join.
10,000.
But this guy spirit don't tell us say something not pure.
No clear.
Something not clear. And this one not clear. It not clear. Until she can't do her search and make phone calls. Come find out say this is born come. Don't marry.
Try.
Anyway, make we continue. Make we call her back. Meanwhile, my sister, he get somebody will send us message from Canada for you. You don't come out the message this man.
I'll open on.
Somebody send us message from Canada for you. Once we in name na go front, go up small. He mentioned in name, go up small. Hello, So my sister, so so where the matter day so now? Where the matter day now?
No, sir. My money I need to nothing more than that.
Meanwhile, I want also tell you something. I want to tell you something. We want to say thank you to you. Say you listen to the advice because your mind not to kill the boy, to off the boy. You don't already go pay money to Babalawo, Alpha, we go run the matter. Thank you. Say you listen to the advice of people and you leave the boy, make it they go. But one thing I go tell you now, say no worry. Kama, you go to they call kama day. In konye miriko ge buru. Waiting person do na you go carry. Whether I like him or not. Whether I like him or not. We go call the boy. But before we continue, he get one of our person where they Canada. We say make I tell you, say Ingo give you 500,000 naira to take hold yourself first of all. So you hear me?
Yes.
He's saying go send you 500,000. So me and him go chat later. Then I go send them your account number. He go send you the 500,000. Saying just want give you that money, then you take hold yourself. But once I get the information from him, once he send them, he never send them. Once he send them, I go let you know. But for now, make I call this Chinedu. Is it being here, Abi?
Yes.
Is it being here? And make we call her, make we hear from her, make we know what make him do what do. If going by all the things where you talk, make we hear from inside too. Make it not be on one side we hear from. Okay?
One thing deny I would destroy his life.
No. Calm down first. Never destroy life first of all. Just calm down, yeah? We will call him now. And then talk to him. Yeah, and make you never think of say whether in deny because in fit deny. So once in deny, no vex to say go back, go destroy life. I beg, never do like that. We know say anything where you do now, whether you meet afar, you don't meet afar. We know say if you open your mouth talk, he go catch him, whether with afar or no afar.
Exactly.
Because now from a place of pain, now you they talk, and anybody talk from place of pain, it they happen. So just wait first of all, never talk, never do anything. Moko call him first of all, then we'll come back to you, okay? All right. Meanwhile, we'll go call this guy, but before we call him, we'll go call him, make we hear from his own. Case another thing one and I say this guy been done plan to kill the boy, to off the boy, to destroy the boy life.
To make her mad.
Making life they useless.
I got the see a lot of people where they see where they just die unfortunately. Just die just like that, mad like that. You could say, yeah, innocent guy. You don't know what he don't do. I give you a case of the one happened for Port Harcourt.
Talk him now.
The case, just similar thing like this. The guy spend everything for this guy body. For his family. The boy just do the same thing, go marry another girl secretly. This one be say,
she spend for the guy family too.
Yes, now make the boy establish the boy. The boy promise and say go marry him. The family self support the boy to go marry another woman.
Just like this one, she be the mama, she send money. The mama still chop.
This one now, this guy family support say go marry another girl, just leave this mumu girl. Right. So the guy vex. And nobody true life story. The guy go juju. Say the day they go the traditional marriage, so everybody will connect to the boy.
Oh, they never do. She don't hear say the one say she the guy want marry.
She don't serve the guy breakfast.
Okay, you don't go tell the guy say you know they do again. Okay, not be say you do a secret.
It's not a secret. He say I ain't don't see we want I don't like the guy again. The guy say anything I do you nothing. You can't go. So everybody will connect to the guy by blood when they go that marriage that day. Make all of them die. It happened. They get terrible accident.
All of them die.
Yes, on their way to Akwa Ibom. Terrible accident many years ago. Everybody will connect to the boy, plus his sisters or everybody wipe.
Hey.
But the other people where they inside the bus, you don't relate to the boy.
They survive
the accident. Nothing scratch them. So young men, anyway, I never the advice.
Not only young men, no.
Plus
women.
Not
only young men, plus women. You know how many women? I don't hear story tire. I don't see one. When you be say the guy spend fire, send this guy go school. Now for this CMS market here. What be this market in CMS? Balogu market. Okay. And the guy get big shop there. If I call the guy name, suppose if you know the guy. Spend money. This guy now private university. The guy go. The guy come outside talk. Tell the guy say the guy no go school. The guy not dey her level.
Hi.
The guy that's the flow talk so that today the guy never born pikin.
And the boy if he no do anything, no. The man if he no do anything.
The guy never born pikin as I dey follow you talk so. So what people don't understand be say see in Kimere Igeburu. Kama they exist.
Kama now.
We they try call the guy now. Mo see whether a number go.
Dear customer,
If you
the
listen.
MTN number you have dialed is not reachable at the moment.
Now they reach a moko try again. May not be like say we'll just give up on the boy like that. We'll not hear from his own side. Make we
Dear
hear.
customer, the MTN number you have dialed is
If you like no go, more find mother on.
My sister, if you dey hear us, I beg send us text me in mother or uncle, any of in family member number, send them to me. Make we call them so that we go hear from them. Because if we not hear from the boy, at least the family members will know the matter.
Especially the mom.
Especially the mama.
Now the mama give her information saying don't marry.
Now the mom, the funny part be say these parents that okay, the mama according to the mama,
the mama
say no. The mama say no. So my sister, if you dey hear me, I bet text me any of the family members number. They try call you, but the number no they go. And this thing also, it goes a long way to tell the things where we dey talk here all the time. When you dey enter relationship, not put marriage first. Not carry marriage for head. And make you, if you not see, make I talk something, make I talk am here. I talk this thing the other day again, and I talk and compost them. Different people begin say, oh my God, this is true. If you get any need, not enter relationship because of that need. This our sister now. She not fit tell her family members what happen.
At all.
She not fit. If you tell the family members say she dey give the guy money, she not fit. And now she be the first pikin. If he be say they don't worry her now, go and marry. You are getting old, go and marry. Your girl with the hustle for herself. And the beautiful thing be say this girl say what make me even happy for her own be say she not depend on anybody. She dey hustle for herself. She dey hustle for her own self. She dey try. My interior decorator now she be.
Hello?
My sister I would try call him in number not go. So I don't know whether you get any of your family members number, the mama or some text us the mama or anybody where we go feel call, we go tell us and the story, tell us what thing happen. You understand? Send the mama and any other person number, more call them sharp, yeah. So she 19 decorator she be. She dey hustle her own. She don't need money from any man. But guess what? She get another need.
You know, I tell somebody recently. I tell the person say the person that say until any guy is committed to her, now she go fit Sahel Savannah with the guy. I can't say that they go get her wrong.
Now there you go get her wrong.
Any guy when no see now the kind of personality will be go they committed.
I don't see. Actually, I don't talk for this radio. Person will go the introduction.
Just to
Mapok.
I don't see it happen
What are we
now.
talking about?
You go even pay bride price.
Yes now.
I don't see that one. You go pay bride price, carrying people go just to Mapok the girl.
Just to do because most of them go come take a challenge. Oh, so you feel say oh yeah now. The guy go where go do introduction or with the girl. He go where go do introduction to the girl. I joined the for the girl mind now. Oh, he don't husband don't come. My guy do the guy not just do her, he do her friends, 2 of her friends.
Hey, well.
Even with that marriage thing, the girl go come do upper.
Yes.
So,
because the truth be say, I talk this. Moko na not they put need. If you get any of this need, no enter relationship because of that need. For example, if you get not be say if you enter relationship, you not go give your all. Oh, you go give your all when enter relationship. If you get need of say okay, you get emotional need, you get a psychological need. You get a financial need. You get any other need where they exist where we not mention. If not because of that need, you carry enter that relationship, it don't fail already. For instance, example, if not financial need carry you enter, say you need man, as now be the case everywhere now. You need man where go they spend on you, where go they support you. If he doesn't have money, it's not money enough, it's not my type. If he cannot spend or if he cannot do that, it's not my type. Now you don't become beggar for that relationship. And beggar no they collect what he ask for. Now waiting they want give you,
you
then
don't
go
get
give
choice now.
you get the point now. Now waiting they want give you, then go give you. And the person go they treat you anyhow. Even when that person they beat you for that relationship, because of say if they give you that thing where you want, you not go feel
You know, I want to go. Beggar don't get choice.
some ladies their own need where carry them enter the relationship. Now my pocket.
A serious one.
Oh, the man cucumber very big, very santy. You get the point. Honor has you of the man they has a Savannah well. Now plenty girls. I cannot count how many girls where they don't disfigure their face. But then go come on, hey, okay, you not go understand. I understand. The guy they say, hey, Savannah, you well. That will make you not understand.
Now
No
you
one
no
come on.
figure now.
So if you get any of this need, no enter relationship. And the one of the major reason again why I go tell person, why I go advise all of you, both man and woman, listen to me. If you never dey comfortable on your own, if you not dey comfortable to dey alone, say you don't need person, then no enter relationship. Because the truth be say, that relationship where you enter, if you not never dey comfortable to do on your own, when the person begin do anyhow, you not go feel waka comot. And it not mean say make you any small thing make you waka comot. No, you go get back door, but that back door make it dey far small. Because make it dey far in a way that when you think of the back door, because of how far it dey, you no go one go. You go still stay. So when the guy do the first one, okay, I get back door, not try me, oh. You forgive him. Second time again, they go, okay, I get back door, not try me, oh. Third time, when you don't say this one not go change, that your back door where you put already, because of say you dey comfortable, dey alone, carry waka, take the distance, go that back door, carry waka come out. Dey alone.
Some people they fear to stay alone. No?
Some people they fear to dey alone. This is our sister own. Not be bad person she be. Now very good-hearted lady now she be. Very wonderful human being. Person wait to say okay, make it support her so-called boyfriend.
So the guy take advantage of the fact say, oh, the girl don't like say I don't get heartbreak
Yeah.
before.
So the
If not be
the girl make herself vulnerable.
Yes. So the guy goes, okay. Obia.
Yeah.
But that one no give her rights to.
You don't give her right to do anyhow to the girl now.
You treat her anyhow.
Don't give her right.
From the beginning.
You don't give her right.
Want the girl wholeheartedly.
The truth be say.
Just one chop.
Yes.
Chop her
The
money.
truth be say.
He know say she get money.
He know say the girl get money.
He know.
He know say the guy get money. So from the beginning, in just one chop come out. We don't get the boy mother number. The truth be say, he get plenty ladies. He get plenty ladies like this way they outside.
Ah, the Sahel.
Millions of them way they outside when he be say because of you know how many ladies we don't talk say we don't turn lesbian because of this kind of thing. Oh, even he not get anywhere where they safe for. Get man they do you, woman they do you too.
Hi.
So now just say the wickedness of human being, and also if una dey learn, make una dey put yourself in a position when you be say you go feel handle yourself just in case other mama. If you dey drive for road, if you dey drive high speed, when accident happen, everybody feel die. You say feel die. But if you dey drive speed where you go feel control,
You feel much break.
you feel match break where the motor no go do tumble. But if you drive high speed when you match break, the motor feel tumble, but everybody go die. Use your tongue and count your teeth. More call the mama of this boy. More call the mama of the boy. Make we hear from her. More hear what she could get to tell us.
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched
Okay, the mama phone they switched off. You get another person who will go call. It be like say as we talk, so we more call the mama. The boy don't tell the mama, mom, me turn off phone again off.
Because they are no.
Burn your phone again. Burn your phone again. Burn your phone again.
Ask again, the thing go say, in the police.
In the police. But this person who they call will not go call his name when until the person pick. So, hello.
Hello.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
My name na Nedu. Would they call you from Wazuba FM, ma?
I beg, try another place. Which one be Wazobia FM?
No be prank. Oh.
Is it a prank? It isn't a prank.
No be prank. Oh.
Madam, no be prank. Oh. And they call you real. So you know, say get some people when they
If you
believe
know
say.
she put this in her
say
power
they-
line.
When they believe say I need you call me from Wazuba FM. As how? Why? Madam, if you doubt, listen to radio. Don't know if you go. Madam, if you doubt, listen to radio. Tune on to Wazuba FM. You go hear your voice. Now, Nedu Wazuba FM, they call you. I get reason why they call you, ma. I they call you because of our sister Nene. She reached out to us, about the issue we should go through with Chinedu. Ezebun here again. I'm not forgetting son name. How then date from 2018 reach 2022 where the guy can secretly go marry for March, and how she decide, to go do bad thing to the guy. Say you did part of those way advise her not to do the thing. We don't try coaching it, do him not pick. We try calling mama. In mama phone they switched off. Now we say, okay, make we talk to you. Make we even find out if what she tell us not true or not.
What do I go do now? Call the mama. I know the mama phone the ring.
It is switched off. We call him now. It is switched off. No, we just want to know whether she did talk true or not. That's all. You don't need to talk anything.
Hey, wala too much.
Madam, now you just yes or no. Not be wala too much. Tell us yes or no whether she talk true or she not talk true. Because man not like give you. She don't talk. Say if we call the boy, where the boy deny, say she go still go ahead and harm the boy. But we just want confirm from you. Now true she talk, I be not be true, so that we go know how we want follow to handle the matter. That's all.
Make you no harm the boy. No harm the boy.
Oh, now true she talk.
Not true now, but I would advise her anyway. Say because we're not aware, she know. But when there's plan, none of us was happy to hear such thing. We never expect it.
Yes.
So, but I mean the boy is not the best.
He's not the best, obviously, because what will happen don't happen. You not get how harming the boy goes, so solve any matter. But we just want to confirm whether say if you hear gist, you go if you hear Tori to handle matter, you go need to hear from the other side. Make it not be like say you did one-sided. You understand? Or even but that's why we say okay, make we call more confirm. But thank you for confirming the matter for us. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah. Anyways, when I don't hear now from the family of the boy, then talk say true, the matter happen.
I just think something. So if don't say she won't harm the boy, therefore no confirm. Why they be like that?
You see him? If no be say I tell them now, say if no be say she talk, say if the boy not talk true, say she go harm the boy.
Therefore keep
quiet.
You know to say even the woman they struggle to talk.
Yes.
What they get tell us not true Ikali. They see him now. They struggle to talk. So they not fit talk now. The man, the husband now. Now
so if you not talk that thing.
So if we not talk that thing now, that is how you for leave him.
But wait, I gotta do that. This person and the boy family people.
Now the boy family
but
people.
What do you expect now? They go back the guests. So but because not kill our son for not do it to our son now.
And the boy family people. Now this kind girl now, tell me, you don't know say apart from say you collect this girl money, you don't shatter this girl emotions. You don't shatter her psychology. Because the truth is never again. Never.
Don't close door for another person.
You don't close door for another person. Another man feel come now, tell her story. She go say, I hear you.
This one
you know the funny thing, even when she married herself, to give to her husband.
He go hard am. Because if he believes that the man fit stand up tomorrow to waka comot.
You see?
I beg, make una dey get you man call. My brother Chinedu, wherever you dey, your own Chinedu come become bad one.
How?
No, your name Seko.
I'm gonna do. No, you are gonna do. Nah, Chinedu bomb. Why that bucket?
Your own Chinedu come be bunk and pant. Oversized pant doka.
Panty.
Oversized pant wey get hole. That is what you are.
That's panty.
In fact, you are poor.
Download the Wazobia FM app. Chai, you did miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmat.